Okay, so we starting with Pythagoras theorem today. Pythagoras theorem, and in Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Right here is 90. In a right angle triangle, the side opposite 90 is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. The side opposite the angle. And if I put an angle here, this angle is facing here. So here becomes the opposite. Then here becomes the adjacent. So in a right angle triangle, the side opposite the 90 is the hypotenuse. And over here, what we'll be doing is we'll be solving some what's the name? Pythagoras theorem. And with Pythagoras theorem, we say is the hypotenuse, okay, squared is equal to your opposite squared plus your adjacent squared, which we can use maybe a variable by saying a squared equal to b squared plus c squared. Okay, so that's it. All right. Now let's take some questions. So in the diagram, AC is 12 meters and BC is 13 meters. You have to calculate AB. Or if you have a diagram like this. So what we're going to do is, once again, we know that the hypotenuse, which is your BC squared, will be equal to what? The opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So my BC is 13 squared. My AB, I don't know. My AC is 12 squared. Okay. So we have 12 squared. So 13 squared is 169. 12 squared is 144. So we group like terms here. 169 minus 144. Go to your AB squared. So this will give you 25. Go to AB squared. Take square root of both sides. You will have 5 equal to AB. So it means that therefore my AB is 5 meters. So that's how we find the other side. Okay. Let's take another question again. If I have a triangle, right angle triangle looking like this. Right here is 2 root 5. Let's say F, G, E. And right here is root 70. Then now you calculate EG, leaving your answer in a set form. So once again, it's going to be your hypotenuse, which is FG squared, equal to EG squared plus EF squared. Okay. So fg squared is root 70 squared. Eg is what we are looking for. Then EF is 2 root 5 r squared. Okay. So this will cancel this. You have 70. This will give you EG r squared. This will give you 4 times 5, which is, because 2 squared is 4. And the square will break this one, making 5. So 4 times 5 over here, giving you 20. 20. Then we group like terms. So you have 70 minus 20 equal to EG squared. So 70 minus 20 is 50. Take square root of both sides. Let's cancel this then. Our EG will be square root of 50. Yeah, we need to reduce this to the basic form. This will be the same as 25 times 2, whereas minus 5 root 2. Okay, so 5 root 2 is the answer. 5 root 2 unit. Okay. Let's take another question. So in the diagram, AB is 12 meters, BC is 8 plus x meters, and AC is x meters. Then you have to find the value of x. So this A, and we are told AB is 12, AC is x, then the hypotenuse is 8 plus x meters. So once again, we all know that it's the hypotenuse squared. So we can go straight away by saying BC squared equal to your AB squared plus your AC squared. So your BC is 8 plus x all squared. AB is 12 squared. AC is x squared. So we're going to expand this, and that will be, you take your first one, you square, you get 64. 8 times x is 8x times 2 is 16x. Then plus the last one square, which is x squared, equal to 12 squared is 144 plus x squared. So you see that the x squared will do what? Will cancel. So x squared and the x squared will cancel. We'll be left with 16x equal to 144 minus 64. So 16x equal to 144 minus 64 is 80. And if you divide through by 16, x is 5.